everyone, in this video we will see how to create purchase order, work order and service order, and how to create the GRN of those orders. So for that, go to the purchase page, click on create PO option in the top right corner, select the project from the search bar and submit. Now you have to select the vendor. If you want to create a new vendor, you can also create it from the same drop down. Then click on add from BOQ, and these are the items which are created inside the same project as a BOQ. You can add the items from here. Let's add 2 items, 12 mm cladding and 6 mm cladding. Add one more item, for example framework. You can enter the vendor rate from here, and the GST is selected as 18% by default. You can change it if you want. By default the order type is purchase order. You can change it to work order or service order also. Scroll down, and this is the grand total of the purchase order. You can also change the delivery date from here, so let's change it to 17. The delivery address can also be updated here. If you want to select terms and conditions and payment terms, you can select from the drop down. Same goes for payment terms. If you want to create new payment terms or terms and conditions, you can create from the option called create new template. If you want to view the terms and conditions which are selected, click on this view or edit payment terms option, and these are the terms which we have selected. You can also add attachments to this purchase order if you want, but this is optional. Now you can click on the preview PO option to see the preview of the purchase order. So this is the company logo, this is the company name, this is the company address, these are the company details, these are the vendor details, and these are the items. So the grand total is 64,900, and this is the payment terms of this particular PO. If everything looks okay, you can proceed to issue the PO. Click on this submit option and click on issue PO. So now the PO has been issued. You can also share this PO with the vendor. Now this is the vendor mail ID, the same vendor that you have selected. You can skip this step also, and in the CC field all your team members will be visible. This is the subject line of the email. The PDF is already attached, and this is the template message. Let's click on cancel, and the PO is issued. Once the PO is issued, you can check the PO on the same page, the purchase page. This is the PO, 64,900 value. Now you can update the GRN of this PO. Click on delivery status. On delivery status column, click on this update option, and then click on part delivered. So the receiver name is mandatory. You have to enter the receiver name over here, and these are the 3 items which are present in the purchase order. You have to enter the received value or received quantity. The issued quantity was 314. Let's say we have received only 150 square meter. For the second item we have received 100 square meter, and same for the third item. The invoice number is also mandatory, so we will fill the invoice number from here also and confirm delivery. Now the delivery has been updated for this particular PO, and the status is also updated to partially delivered. So on the left hand side we have a payment request option also. In the payment request, all the GRNs will be visible. If a PO has been issued and there is no GRN, then that PO will not be visible on this page. So now we can see in the ABC project we have a PO called 180, and this is the GRN. So if I click on the GRN number, a side panel will open. On the right hand side you can see the invoice summary also. The total PO amount was 64,900, and the eligible amount is 41,300. Because we have only received a partial quantity from the vendor, so this value is derived from the delivered quantity. Okay, if you want to book the invoice, you can click on this submit option and click on approve invoice. Once the GRN has been approved, the status will be updated to approved in the invoice status column. Now you can update the GRN again of the same PO and go to the payment request and then approve the new GRN also. So that was the process of creating purchase orders, updating their GRNs and approving the invoice from the payment request also.